It is proceeding peacefully, but very slowly. And if we are to tell you about 1 p.m. Voter turnout percentage, it's just 32% in Maharashtra. And specifically talking about Mumbai city and Mumbai suburban, it's hardly reached 30%. So it's 27 and 30% respectively. So you can understand that a lot of people are yet to vote, are yet to come out and exercise their vote. Right now we are here at St. Anne's school, which is a polling booth known for its celebrities presenting, and so far we've seen various filmmakers, Kunal Kohli, Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. We've also seen various actors, Ranveer Singh, we've seen Isha Kopikar, we've seen a lot of people who've come here and exercised their vote, they've cast their vote, and just with one appeal to people who are yet to vote, that it hardly takes 5 minutes to come here and vote. And if you are seeing the various initiatives taken by the Election Commission of India, every booth, if you see, has a spread of at least 5 centers wherein people can go and cast their vote, and it will not take very long for them to vote. Here also a lot of senior citizens and super senior citizens have come out and vote, and overall in Maharashtra or Mumbai, if you see, you've already seen that a lot of stalwarts have exercised their right early in the morning around 7 and 8 a.m. So we can understand that the people who the common man look up to, they've already exercised their vote. But yes, we are still waiting for
the
a lot
poll
of people
percentage
who are yet to vote,
cover
and
up.
they should come ahead.
Yes. So in your assessment, Shama, are the expectations of a closely fought election with narrow margins of victories or big victory margins?
It's too soon to say, but if we are to say about the voters and how they have chosen their fight, how they've chosen their pattern, it's definitely for the cause and not for the face of the candidate. So here also in Bandra, if we are talking about, people are choosing for progress, people are choosing development, and obviously it's not fair on our part to ask the name of the candidate for which they voted, but yes, this is something which the voters are keeping in mind, and this is especially the localized issues, because this is Vidhan Sabha elections, this is the state elections, and we can understand that the issues related to the national or the international level is very different from what affects the people here on the ground at the Vidhan Sabha level. So what we saw in the Lok Sabha elections, the results, it's too hard to predict, but yes, and it's always said that Maharashtra is one particular state where the voter expert, the election experts could also not predict what exactly is happening, what exactly is going to happen. But yes, there are many seats which is easy to predict, and there are seats where the candidates are standing and winning since decades. And one such seat, if we are to talk about, is Malabar Hill, from where the Mahayuti candidate and also the state minister Mangal Prabhat Lodha, he's standing. He's won 6 times, and now he's standing for the 7th time. So it's an easy fight over there. What's a tough fight, what we can call in Mumbai, is the Worli seat. You would be knowing about that particular seat, which is much talked about, and this particular seat is where Aditya Thackeray, the son of Uddhav Thackeray, he's standing, and last election he had stood for the first time, and the platform or the space was made in such a way that people voted in large numbers for him, and he got an easy win. But this time around he has opponents. He has opponents from Mahayuti and also from the MNS. So now people have choices, and this will be a tough fight.
And so we are hoping the poll numbers, we are hoping the poll numbers will rise further as the day progresses. Thank you, Shama Mishra, reporting from Mumbai.